Welcome, and thank you for your interest in learning more about recertification by examination. This short tutorial is just to show you what you would need to do as a certified individual should you need to recertify your certification by re-examination. The first thing you will need to do is to make sure that you are logged in to your AACE profile. Once you're logged in, you will be on your main screen that just show you your menu of options. You will want to choose recertification by exam. Once you select recertification by exam, you will want to look for the particular certification that you currently possess. If you see the item that says not eligible to create, that means that you do not possess this particular certification. So just as when you're applying for a certification, this particular page provides you all 8 of our certifications, and in this case for recertification it's 6 because only 6 of them can be recertified. So it's not a matter of just creating a new collection. You have to make sure that you're creating it for the proper sub-collection. So this particular candidate is certified as an EVP and a PSP. Of course, you're going to want to utilize this in the same manner should you be CCP, CEP, or any of the others. So let's navigate to EVP, and we can see that I am eligible to create a new collection for recertification by exam for my EVP certification. And you select Create New Collection. Once you select it, it basically will tell you, congratulations for choosing this. It's actually telling you that it's the same process for applying for an actual certification, except for the fact that you are not required to provide any eligibility requirement documentation. That's why you only have 2 options in this particular application. You're already certified. You do not need to provide any eligibility requirement. You basically just need to tell us you want to take the recertification by exam for EVP and you need to pay for it. One of the key things that you need to keep in mind is that once you submit this, you are given one opportunity to pass the examination in order to keep your active certification for 3 additional years. If you are not able to pass the exam for this particular purpose, you actually will lose your certification, meaning your initial expiration date and your certificate number. And should you want to pursue certification again, you would start over. And this time you would be going through the exam application and you would be required to provide the eligibility documentation. So we hope that that keeps things clear for you. But basically for choosing Recert by exam, no matter what exam that it is, you select Create a New Collection, make sure that you understand your options, and you will click Next to check out and pay for your exam. This particular person is a non-member, so the exam is $625, and basically you would just provide your credit card information. For the purposes of this, I will go ahead and continue. This is just very generic to get you through the process. And our address is there, and we'll click Next. Waiting for the receipt, which we received, and now you will see that your submittal status is an exam clearance. Basically what that means is that your application, which was basically just letting us know that's how you want to recertify, has been submitted to AACE headquarters staff. Once they receive it and review it, they will provide you exam clearance so that you can schedule your exam at a criterion testing center. And there's nothing more that you need to do until you hear back from them. And that's all there is to recertifying by examination. We hope that this tutorial has been helpful for you. But if you have any questions, please give us a call at 304-296-8444, extension 1110, or email us at certification@aacei.org. Thank you.